Welcome back, dear children. What we are learning is a poem named Trees. Right? Let us have a small recap and we'll continue with the question answers, dear. Right? So, I told you an activity to check what are all the things that you get from trees in this picture. Right? And trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Right? Trees are for what? To make tree houses in. Right? So first is trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Right? Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Beautiful breeze. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. This is also an activity I said to find out what are all the animals which is hiding there. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer, right? Trees are to make no shade in winter. We don't want shade in winter because we need sun's rays only. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees are to chop down and call timber. The chopped down trees are called timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." Right? Shirley Boyer. Now summary. I told you in the last session. Now again I'm repeating this. The poem Trees is a long catalogue describing the various advantages of trees. Every person who looks at a tree appreciates it for a different reason. Trees are the source of sustaining life. They provide food and shelter. They are loved by children while playing games. They give shade and fruit and various other gifts. The trees are used by birds. They live in the trees and build their nest. Trees are used by children. They love to make tree houses and use them as swings. Children love to play hide and seek behind the trees. Not just children, even grown-ups have fun around the trees. They have their tea parties under the shade of the trees. The strong winds that blow through the trees provide relief to passers-by. So when you're walking in a road, when you found a shade, you will feel relaxed. Have you experienced this? Many times I have experienced this. Really a great relief will be there. Right? During extreme summers, trees provide shade. During winters, trees do not provide shade and allow people to bath in sun. People get to eat delicious fruits like apples and pear. Trees are useful when they are chopped down. Even when they are chopped down. We get timber which is used to make furniture. To some, trees are like beautiful pictures that they would love to paint, and to others they are profitable as even their shattered leaves could be put to get great use. Okay, so perspective differs from person to person. You are seeing trees as a beautiful art or a picture to draw. I am seeing trees as a useful thing to make furniture, and some of our friend will see the tree as to get delicious fruits like apple and pear. So each and every one is thinking differently about trees. So question number 1, what are the games or human activities which use trees, or in which trees also participate? Children use trees for their games. They make tree houses and play hide and seek behind the trees. Trees play an important role also while adults are spending some time at leisure. Under the shade of the tree, they have their tea parties, and they also become a benefiting subject matter for painting. The second question is, trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? And contrast this line with the line immediately before it. Trees are for apples to grow on or pears. So that is a line before it, right? Do you agree that one purpose of the tree is to have fruit on it? Or do you think this line is humorous? So totally 3 questions are asked. Trees are no to make no shade in winter. That was a first line and first question. What does this mean? During summer, the trees provide cool shade. In winters, this shade is not required because already it was cool. So people stand under the open sun to enjoy its warmth. Okay, that is what is the first one. Trees are for apples to grow on or pears. One purpose of the tree is to provide fruits like apples and pears and so on. So many fruits, not only apples or pears, so many other fruits are also there. Okay, do you agree that one purpose of the, yes, definitely we have to agree. And do you think this line is humorous? For this line is not humorous actually. Humans do rely on trees for food. We are dependent on trees for food. That is what is the exact meaning for this. Question number 3. With the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or add new ones of your own as in the following example. Right? So this you have to try on your own. Just we are discussing the question and answers. That's it. Okay. So try to write on your own. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for people to sit under. Now try to compose a similar poem about water or air. So we gave trees and you have to try for water or air. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Trees are for the people to sit under. All these lines has to come next line by next line. Since you cannot able to see in one picture, we gave this as a paragraph. Make it as a poem. Trees are for birds to build nest in. Then the next line, trees are for people to sit under. The next line, trees are those leisurely hours to enjoy the beauty of the nature. Trees are for the homemakers to beautify their houses. Trees are for the sick ones to derive their medicine from. Yes, we are getting so much of medicine from the trees. Trees are for everyone because to every person a tree has some gift to offer. For you and me may be different. But everyone, each and every person, it is offering something. So now this is short answer type questions. So it is not there in your book maybe, but all these may be asked in your exam. Okay, why do fathers find trees useful? During the fall is the season, okay, fall season. During the fall, gathering the scattered leaves from the ground, a lot of profit can be reaped. These leaves could be used as fuel or turned into manure and fertilizers. So the fathers find this profitable as this aids their business. This is one of the business. When all the leaves are falling down, they'll collect the leaves and make it as a fertilizer. Why the chopped down trees are called timber? The trees are chopped down so that their wood could be put to use. The logs of woods, timber, is used for carpentry and to make furniture. Even when the tree is chopped down, it is useful and profitable. From the reading of the poem, evaluate the benefits of the trees. This you can write so many pages, but I am giving you only 2 paragraphs. The trees have various benefits, right? They cater to the needs of all forms of life. Birds derive food and shelter from the trees, and so do some of the animals. Some of the animals also live in the trees. Birds use trees to build their nest. For human beings too, trees are a major source of sustenance. They get fruits, shade, timber, medicine, and various other such elements from the trees. Children love to play around the trees. For those who have leisurely time, trees provide relief and also work as subjects that could be painted, right? And this is an extract based question. A few lines, 4 lines are given, and from that 4 lines, like a comprehension, you have to answer this. Okay, read the extract given below and answer the following question. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree houses in, trees are to swing swings on. Have you seen animals or bird making houses in trees? Yes, definitely I have seen nests, so many nests. Yes, I have seen many animals making their houses nest in trees. Female monkeys joyously sit on the branches, pluck peas, beans, etc., take out the nuts and feed their young ones. They feel a great content in doing so. So all these we have seen in zoo, monkeys doing that, and in our houses, nearby houses, we can see the nest. Give 2 examples of trees that have number of uses in everybody's life. 2 uses. Sandalwood tree gives sandal that is considered sacred in rituals, worship, etc. It gives wood, timber, etc. It provides shade to humans, animals, and most importantly for snakes. Then it gives fragrance also. Next is coconut tree gives a very juicy, tender coconut which we will drink, isn't it? Then coconut you are getting for cooking also. Then its coir is used to make ropes, and we get timber from it also. So many uses are there, isn't it? Tender coconut we will drink as it is. Then the ripened means you will get coconut which your parents are using for cooking. Then coir, ropes, then timber will be used. Why do we make swings on trees? Swinging is an exercise that fills you with a great joy and energizes you. Swinging on the branches of a tree is most important or interesting than any other swings because it gives fresh air too. But in the park, when you are in that metal beam, it will not be that much interesting. It will be interesting, but not with cool air. Cool breeze will not come, right? Fresh air will not be there. How are trees useful for birds? Everything, to sit on, to build nests, to hatch eggs, all of these. What are the advantages of trees for children? They can play around trees and get fruits, cloths, books from trees. What should be done to save trees? Everyone should plant at least a tree every year. Then the extract 2. How does a tree prove to be beneficial during summer? Tree gives cool shade during summer, right? Trees are for no shade in winters. Comment on this. The speaker is a humorous way notes that during winter, the shade of the tree is not needed. People enjoy the warmth of the sun. So that is what is the concept. Thank you, dear.